Yeah, matanong lang po dun sa pagbabakuna diyan sa inyo, ilang porsyento na po ba ng inyong populasyon ang bakunado na?
Okay po. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So all in all, as of October 8, 2021, sir, we received 6,363 vaccines, in which there are 341 individuals who have completed the AstraZeneca vaccine, and the majority of them belong to A1 category, the frontline health workers. However, 439 individuals vaccinated with first dose only. For Sinovac vaccine, 1,655 individuals completed and 2,957 got the first dose. For Janssen, we have 720 individuals are vaccinated with one-time dose and 251 individuals vaccinated on their first dose, while the second dose will be scheduled. So, the percentage now, as of this very moment, it is that our target population to be vaccinated is 28,105. And we have the first dose of 3,871. And the second dose, we have 3,153. So the percentage of accomplishment is 11%. And in senior citizen, we have the target population of 3,837. And vaccinated, we have 934 for the second dose. So we have the accomplishment percentage of 24%. So far, sir, we really need some much more vaccine, so we can have to vaccine our constituents here, because of this very moment, we have so many constituents there who are now eager to be vaccinated because of the fact that we have experienced that August 1 up to September 10 and even to the third week of September. So that is why there are our constituents who are so very eager now to be lined up and so that they will receive this vaccine. So I am so very much happy that the eagerness of the people of Mahayag now is now we have seen and observed. So what we have to ask and in the Department of Health, especially in the regional level, that they will have to give us more this vaccine so that we can have to schedule even every day of our rural health unit to find or to have this vaccine to be given to our constituents.